Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Dyson Supersonic R Professional Quality Hair Dryer, which is one of the most advanced and innovative hair dryers on the market. I'm going to show you how it works, what are its features and benefits, and why you might want to consider getting one for yourself or as a gift for someone you love. The Dyson Supersonic R is not your ordinary hair dryer. It is a precision tool that is designed to dry your hair faster, smoother, and healthier than ever before. It is the result of years of research and development by Dyson, a company that is known for its cutting-edge technology and engineering. The first thing you will notice about the Dyson Supersonic R is its unique shape and design. Unlike most hair dryers that have a bulky and heavy motor in the head, the Dyson Supersonic R has a small and light motor in the handle. This makes it easier to hold and maneuver and reduces the strain on your arm and wrist. The head is also shorter and more compact, which allows you to get closer to your scalp and roots and be more precise with your styling. The second thing you will notice is how quiet it is. The Dyson Supersonic R has a digital motor that is acoustically tuned to reduce noise and be less intrusive in your environment. You can easily have a conversation or listen to music while using it without having to shout or turn up the volume. The sound is also more pleasant and soothing, unlike some hair dryers that can be harsh and annoying. The third thing you will notice is how fast it dries your hair. The Dyson Supersonic R has a powerful airflow that can reach up to 105 mph, which is faster than some sports cars. It can dry your hair in minutes, saving you time and energy. It also has intelligent heat control that measures the temperature of the air 20 times per second and adjusts it accordingly to prevent extreme heat damage. This means that your hair will be protected from overheating, burning, or breaking and will retain its natural shine and moisture. The fourth thing you will notice is how smooth and frizz-free your hair will be. The Dyson Supersonic R has a negative ion generator that emits millions of ions to reduce static and flyaways and enhance smoothness and shine. It also has a range of attachments that are designed to suit different hair types and styles. You can choose from the smoothing nozzle, the styling concentrator, the diffuser, or the flyaway attachment, depending on your needs and preferences. The attachments are magnetic, so you can easily snap them on and off, and they are heat resistant, so you can touch them without burning yourself. The fifth thing you will notice is how durable and easy to maintain it is. The Dyson Supersonic R is made of hardened and durable materials that can withstand high use and salon environment. It has a washable and heavy-duty filter that captures particles, such as hairspray, to protect the performance of the hair dryer. It also comes with a spare filter that you can swap on the go and a cleaning brush to keep it clean and hygienic. The cord is also longer and more flexible, which gives you more freedom and convenience. The Dyson Supersonic R is not just a hair dryer, it is a professional quality hair dryer that is engineered to last and to give you the best results possible. It is ideal for anyone who wants to take their hair care to the next level and to enjoy a fast, smooth, and healthy drying experience. It is also a great gift idea for anyone who loves beauty and technology and who appreciates quality and innovation. If you are interested in getting the Dyson Supersonic ER, you can find it on the Dyson website or on Amazon. You can also check out some of the reviews and testimonials from other customers and professionals who have tried it and loved it. You can also watch some of the videos and tutorials that show you how to use it and how to create different looks and styles with it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the Dyson Supersonic R Professional Quality Hair Dryer. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the Dyson Supersonic R and if you have any questions or requests for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.